about the Blizzard Black Pearl. I give the ski a 5 out of 5 star rating. I actually own this ski in the 173 length. Generally that would be a little big for somebody my size, but I prefer to have the little additional length due to my racing background. Absolutely love the way this ski charges, makes short and long radius turns well, just absolutely rips in a variety of snow conditions, from both absolute boilerplate ice all the way to a varied snow surface. Again, I can't say enough about this ski. Absolutely love it. Own a pair myself. So 5 out of 5 star rating for an advanced to expert level lady.